Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to help you get familiar with the website builder. This is the short version of this topic at Dataczar Connect. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to dataczar.com. We're going to log into our account. You can sign up here. We have an account, so we're going to click Login. Let's get our username and our password. Okay, that takes us to Dashboard on the main menu. We're going to go get rid of that, go full screen. And to get to the website builder, you're going to click on the website button right here. And then these are the buttons we're going to go over: Post, Pages, Templates, Appearance, and Settings. Real quick though, let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. This is a website we've been working on. We just did a couple things. We added a blog page and a home page. Every website comes with a newsletter sign up. So we're going to go over this in just a moment. We'll show you the differences. So let's go back. And we're on the website button. And before we go over these, we're going to first go to Content. So let's go to the Content button. And this is where you can add images. We've already preloaded some images for building our website here. And we're going to upload an image here. So let's go ahead and choose Files. And let's go here, here, and here. And then we're going to upload this bungee picture. And there it is. That's checked green, so that means it's uploaded. It should be in My Images. And there it is. So let's go back to the website button. Oh, also there's free image too. You can do a free image search right here. That's another great way to add images to My Images. So let's go back to the website button. And the first thing we want to cover is settings. So we're going to click on the settings button right here. And normally these two are checked: include business address, include newsletter sign up. If you don't want that showing on your website, just uncheck those. You can adjust your address here. You can adjust your social media. We added our Facebook right there. And when you add social media, just make sure you add the complete URL. And then any changes you make, you click Update. So that's the settings button. Then we have the appearance button. The appearance button, you can add a logo. You can add a background image. We're not going to do that today. But here's the template we're using right now, is Cyborg. When you register your domain, you're on main, which is just, the white template. We're on Cyborg. Let's go ahead and adjust it to Cosmo right now. And because we made an adjustment, we're going to click Update. So that's on anytime you make an adjustment, you click Update. Let's go to the Templates button right here. And this is where you can add a page template. For example, let's say we wanted to add an About Us page. All I have to do is click on this Create Page button right here. And there it is. It has the title here. It's in the top menu. I can add it to the bottom menu. And there's About Us, and I can change the text and adjust these pictures and so forth. And this is just filler text here, so you can change that out too. And then any adjustments that you want to make, you just hit Create if you want to create the page. We're not going to create the page, so we're not going to click that. I just wanted to show you the appearance button right. Oops, the templates button right there. That's the button we just went over. The next button is the Pages button. And you can see we have a home index page. We created a blog page and a gallery page already. Let's go to our home index. We're going to click the Edit button right here. And normally Include Posts is checked because when you get your website, it includes a welcome post. We're going to uncheck that because we have a blog page. And then we have a featured image here. We have Welcome to our webinar, AAA Outdoor Scenes. We have this nice picture. Let's go ahead and change out this picture of the redwoods. So what we do is we click on the image. It highlights the image. Then you click on the Insert Edit Image icon. Click on the up arrow. And again, like we did on the Content button, you can upload a photo by choose Files, or you can go to My Images, and we're going to just replace it with the bungee picture that we just added via the Content button, and we're going to click Save. And then we'll go down here. We're going to drag the corner, and there it is. Looks great. So we adjusted that. Let's go ahead and click Update. Okay. And now we're going to go back to Pages, and we're going to go ahead and create a blank page. We'll do this quickly. And the title, Waterfalls, And down here, let's go ahead and do a featured image. We're going to go to My Images. And we're going to do Upper Yosemite Falls looking down. We're going to use this one. So we have the featured image there. And then in the editing box, this works the same for posts too. You have simple code previews. We use simple for editing. And beautiful waterfalls. And let's go ahead and just highlight that. Let's go 18 point, bold, center. We'll give it some color here. Let's go to the color drop down. We'll go hunter green. And just hit enter a couple times. And then let's go ahead and insert an image. So we go to the insert image icon, the up arrow. We'll go to My Images. And we're going to select looking up at Upper Yosemite Falls. Click Save. And there it is. So we created a page right there. So let's go ahead and click Create. And that's the Pages button. Then let's go to the Posts button. And every website comes with the post, comes with the welcome post. Let's go ahead and add a featured image to this. Let's go ahead and edit our welcome post. And we're going to choose. We can go back to My Images because we're already preloaded. And the one that I want is this one right here. And let's go ahead and click Update. So let's go back to Posts. And there we go. We updated that. We're going to show the website here in just a moment. Let's create a new post really quick. And we'll call this El Cajon Mountain. And we'll go down here. Let me just grab some words real quick. I'm going to just paste them in. So beautiful El Cajon Mountain, San Diego, California. Let's jump that up to 14 point. We'll center it and we'll hit enter. Let's choose a featured image on this. We're going to go to My Images. We're going to go with this one right here. So we have the featured image, and then we're going to go here to the editing box under Simple. We're going to go down here. We're going to add an image. If you want to add a video, you can do it right here. It has to be hosted on YouTube. Let's go to the Insert Edit Image icon, Upload, My Images, and we're going to do the overlook, this guy here at El Cajon Mountain, and save, and there it is. And then also, this Previews button is really good. Same for Pages and Posts. You go to Previews, and, well, I'm not sure why that didn't work. So let's just go back to Simple. You can go to the maybe because we didn't create the page. Let's go ahead and create the page. Or the post, I'm sorry. We just created a post. We're on posts right now. We created the post. And then we have that. And then we have the previews. And there it is. So there's the preview of the post we just created. And if you wanted the cell mobile view right here, you can do that. The mobile preview is really cool. So there's the desktop preview. Let's go back to Simple. We already clicked Create, so we don't need to do anything more. So there it is. We have Settings, Appearance, Templates, Pages, and Posts. Let's tab back over. And we're going to do, this is our website we showed you earlier. We're going to do a hard reset, Control F5. And we did a different template. We went from Cyborg to Cosmo, so it has a totally different look on the page template. We added this waterfalls page right here. That's the page we just added. And we already had the social media. We already had the blog. And then you can see on the blog page, we have our blogs attached. There's the El Cajon Mountain blog we just created, and then, or the post, and then there's the welcome post. We edited the welcome post there. So let's go back to Connect. And one thing, we have a bunch of really good videos on the Help button. So make sure you click on Featured Tutorial Videos right here. and watch the first, I'd say at least the first 3 feature tutorial videos are very good. The 4th video is how to add PayPal add to cart to your website. So there's about 7 or 8 videos right here on the featured tutorial videos on the help button that I highly recommend. And then also you can click on the help center, and if you click on the help center, it takes you to all of our help subject, like how to use the templates. You can click on that, and it shows you all the different templates, like we used Cosmo, switch from Cyborg to Cosmo. Let's tab back over, and let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's getting familiar with the website builder. This is the shorter version at Dataczar Connect.